What is up, you guys? It's Monday. I feel like I've been at home the whole day. Today is the first day of Vlogtober, and yesterday I didn't get a chance to film day one, so I filmed day one and I'm filming day two right now as we speak. So it's like video in progress. 8:16, Hubs and I are gonna go grab a dinner. We're gonna go to Kickin' Cajun. Have a new menu. Actually have pictures, which is good. It even makes the food look more mouth-watering. And then here's their seafood boil. A basket of calamari. And I forgot to show you I have claws now. I did these today. So thank goodness I have some gloves because we're gonna have some shrimp. Got a pound of shrimp. Instead of boba, I ended up getting the mango amor. It has mango chunks, tahini, chamoy. It is so good. Good morning, you guys. Happy Friday. About to head out and go to my doctor's appointment. I go to the doctor's appointment, going to Daiso to film the monthly Daiso video. Doctor's appointment was all good. We are now here in Woodland Hills. We're at the Fallbrook Shopping Center. We're gonna film the monthly Daiso Shop With Me video for Vlogtober day number 5. I'm gonna return some candles from Bath & Body Works because I don't know, I really preferred the one that I purchased the other day from Home Goods. And we have a bunch of errands to run today. Morning was all about sweater weather, and now it's hot. I'm wearing like this off-the-shoulder Hello Kitty sweatshirt that I've had for years. From Forever 21, by the way. It's so hot now. I feel like I'm like I have too much clothing on because it's so warm. So these are the candles that I purchased, the blueberry maple pancakes, which smells amazing. And then I'll show you guys the other one, hot cocoa and cream. Okay, the lady just put back my candles, but anyway, I think I'm gonna go with this, the pumpkin pecan waffles. I like the container because of the color. Does that sound odd? I can definitely reuse this, put some lights in it, and then I think I'm gonna get this other scent, champagne toast, because I really like the jar. I really wish that the finish of the glass was frosted. This one has a shiny finish. I'm here at Starbucks. I'm actually going to edit today's Vlogtober video, which is the Daiso video, and I think I'm just going to be here the whole afternoon because all the stores I have to go to are all in this area. And my lunch, because I'm starving, so I just have a water. Don't mind my nail because my nail popped off like right before I filmed, and to me that's not a problem, but the problem really was that I didn't bring any of the extra nails. I had the glue with me, put on the nails, these egg white red pepper bites. It's been a very, very productive day. And now Hubs and I are gonna have dinner. We're gonna go to Chili's. I feel like it's been, I think the last time the Hubs and I ate at Chili's was probably close to like a year and a half, almost 2 years ago. We always used to eat at Chili's, and then I don't know what happened, we kind of stopped. Starting with the triple dipper, Southwestern egg rolls, the sliders, and chicken crispers, but these look a little bit different. I'm going to be sharing a whole rack of ribs with corn, fries, honey mustard, yes. Saturday evening, walking towards our local church. I'm gonna help out at the Filipino booth. My parents are part of the Filipino ministry. So I was supposed to be here like a lot earlier, maybe like 3 o'clock. It is now almost 6, it's like 5:45. I heard this year there are no rides at the carnival, which is kind of weird because this is supposed to be a school fundraiser. And I also used to go to this school way back in the day. Ooh, there's a Filipino booth. It's poppin' right now. Happy Sunday! So the hubs and I, we are going to be volunteering at the Filipino booth today. I don't think I even mentioned, it's like, no, I did mention it's a school carnival. But anyway, so it's about 2 o'clock. We're gonna volunteer until closing this evening, but we're gonna get some Starbucks. I'm hoping that they have sangrias or margaritas, because last night I was walking around and I didn't see the usual booths that they have for the alcohol. They had beer, but I'm not a beer person. I'm definitely more of like a cocktail type of person, so I'm really hoping they have something, or I'm gonna be so disappointed, because I've been looking forward to their sangrias since probably since about the end of August. Today's drink, it's the grande iced maple pecan latte. Have a straw? Hold on, let's get a straw. Can you put one for me? So special. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's try this. 310 calories. It's pretty good though. It's sweet. It's not too sweet. You can taste a bit of the maple. Ooh, the caramel. You can taste it. It's good. You want to try some? We're back at the Oktoberfest. I'm gonna go volunteer. Got our drinks. Look for the alcohol. I haven't even vlogged the whole day. So my Filipino booth. Decorah, say hi to Decorah. Everybody. Everyone here. Huh? Yeah. Everybody. There's the drink. And it's done. Filipino booth is officially closed. It's like, what time is it? It is almost 7:30.